Tip 1. Rayon has a tendency to shrink. Pre-wash your fabric in the same way that you will care for your garment. We recommend hand washing with something like Woolite or dry cleaning. Tip 2. While pressing, use a low or medium setting on your iron, preferably with a press cloth. If your iron is too hot, it can leave permanent shiny marks on your rayon. If you want to be extra careful, you can test your iron on a swatch of fabric first to make sure. Tip 3. Use a rotary cutter rather than scissors because rayon is very slippery. Tip 4. Always remember to stay stitch. Don't skip this step. Rayon stretches and distorts as you sew, which can leave ripples in your seams. Before you sew your garment, reinforce necklines, armholes, and any curved seams with a line of straight stitches inside the seam allowance. Tip 5. Use a fresh, sharp needle to avoid snags in your fabric. We recommend a 70-10, and bonus points if you use a Microtex needle because it is extra sharp. Feel free to test your needle on some swatches first.